I'm going to be that motivational speaker who will challenge you and say, I disagree when someone tells you that you should only race against yourself. I disagree. Why? If you're only racing against yourself, you're only racing against your own standards. What is the danger? If you happen to be born in a very humble village with very low standards that doesn't know what happens in the outside world, you might think that you're already good, but you're not. Raise your hand if you like playing basketball. Because this country is crazy about basketball. May social life ba, mga future accountants natin or auditors? Meron ba dyan? Because I think I see a lot. Okay, volleyball or any sport? Anyone? Okay. It's okay. Jesus loves you. If you don't play any sport, that's fine. I hope you don't forget your social life because you need to distress at some point. But my point is this. If you like playing basketball and you were the MVP of your barangay, 200 participants, you start thinking, I'm the best. But I'm going to say, nope, that's just your barangay league of 400 residents. If I throw you in the NBA or the PBA or the FIBA, which is being hosted by the Philippines this year, you're nothing. You're a small fish in a vast ocean of athleticism. Your ceiling is just someone else's floor. But I want to highlight this. If you see someone who's better than you, please don't get competitive or envious. I want to challenge you to be inspired. Why? When I see someone who's way better than me, I keep on telling myself, whoa, that's possible? I can be like that too. Thank you for telling me that that is also possible to reach. I'm going to aspire now to become like